If you're in meetings frequently and you want an AI note taker to keep track of everything for free, then look no further than Granola AI, the absolute gold standard when it comes to keeping track of meeting notes and actions without actually having to join your calls like some of the more intrusive solutions out there. Granola is by far one of the most intuitive tools there is when it comes to boosting your day-to-day efficiency, and I'm going to show you exactly why in this video. Welcome back to the Feel Productive channel. My name's Ez. Let's get into it. Once you've downloaded the desktop app and you've signed up using the account you have all your meetings in, Granola then syncs with all of your calendar events. And then you're in. The main screen shows upcoming meetings at the top and previous ones below, and each has a connected note you can open before the meeting, which is great for prepping talking points or just reminding yourself what the call is about. There's also a folders feature on the side for organizing by meeting type, but we'll get to that in a minute. Now, the great thing about Granola is it transcribes your system audio directly, so there's no bot that has to join the call. And that matters more than it sounds, because so many people are using AI note takers now, and you'll sometimes just join a meeting and see a whole row of bots sitting there, and it's weird and it makes you feel kind of uncomfortable. But with Granola, you don't have that problem, and it works across Google Meet, Zoom, Teams, whatever you're on, because it's not actually in the meeting recording anything, it's just transcribing what it's hearing from your system audio. It's quite cool as well because it will record audio anytime it detects there's a meeting, even if you're not signed into it from the same account. If it detects that you're about to join a Zoom call, it will just pop up a notification to say, do you want to start recording? And I found that really useful. And you don't even have to keep the app visible. You can just keep it in the background, and every time you join a meeting, the pop-up will occur. And the idea of Granola is it's not just a transcription tool, but you can also take your own notes if you want to. They can be as rough as you like, and Granola will take them into account when processing the transcription. And one cool trick is that you can direct Granola to use notes as headings in its summaries by placing a hashtag in front of your note. So if there's an important point you know you want Granola to create a section for, that's how you would do it. The transcript runs in real time, so if you've missed something or need an exact quote mid-meeting, it's right there. There's also a recipes feature which you can use during a meeting with a /, and then you can ask things like suggest questions or suggest topics based on what's actually being discussed. Once the call ends, Granola enhances your notes using the transcript. If you took notes, then any line from the actual notes shows in a slightly different color. You hover over any line and you can see exactly where in the transcript it came from, so it's got proper source checking built right in. You can also chat with it in the prompt box. You can say things like, what were the deliverables? What was this timeline? And it answers based on your transcript. Templates let you set a specific structure for different meeting types. So once the meeting is over, you can change how the results are structured and presented back to you. A weekly team huddle would need a completely different format to a sponsor call. So set it once and it handles it from there. Presets include one-to-ones, customer discovery, hiring, and you can also build your own. The recipes, which I mentioned earlier, are basically reusable prompt templates. So you can pull them up with a /, and then the presets you get include write a follow-up email, list my to-dos, write a TLDR version, find my blind spots, and the things you'd normally be manually prompting for stuff that you do after a meeting. By the way, I'll leave a link if you want to try Granola for yourself down below. You can start completely for free. You never really have to subscribe to the more premium tier if you don't want to. And be sure to like and subscribe for more tech and productivity content. I know you want to. So there's also this concept of folders in Granola, and folders go way beyond just keeping things tidy. You basically drop context files and notes directly into a folder, and that context gets pulled in when you're using the chat feature. So if you have a recurring weekly meeting, for example, you can keep all your previous sessions in that folder, and you can also drop in an SLP, and then every week you can ask whether it was followed. And inside Granola, you've got a bunch of internal settings to tweak into your context, including the ability to add specific jargon based on your business's language. And one of the most powerful features of Granola is its integration with other tools. It can post notes to Slack channels, save meeting notes directly to Notion, and if you want to integrate your notes as part of a much deeper workflow, you can use Granola's MCP integration to work with the likes of Claude or ChatGPT. And the setup for something like this is super easy. I use Claude, and in there I go to settings, connectors, and then search for Granola. connect and sign in, and then you can ask Claude directly questions about the meeting you've just had, and it finds it in Granola, pulls a relevant meeting, and gives you the exact quote or whatever it is you're looking for with that context. By the way, if you want more productivity inspiration, app recommendations, and productivity tips, then feel free to subscribe to my newsletter. Link to that as well is down below. There's also an iPhone app, which is really cool. So if you're in an in-person type situation, you can just start transcribing from your phone. It uses your iPhone's microphone, so the transcription quality really depends on the environment that you're in. But that's also a really, really nifty feature. As of time of recording for this video, Granola is Mac only on desktop right now. So unfortunately, if you're a Windows user, you're going to have to wait. The mobile app too, by the way, is iPhone only. There's no Android equivalent yet. Also, the no bot approach means other people on the call don't actually get notified about the fact the audio is being transcribed unless you're on the enterprise plan. So you probably should at least feel obliged to tell them. That being said, it's important to note that Granola is not actually recording the meeting itself. I'm not quite sure how people had meetings without tools like this, honestly. How did anyone remember anything? And the best thing about it is you can actually just start using it for free, and the basic plan is free forever. You get unlimited meeting notes, AI chat, and 30 days of meeting history. If you want to go further, the business plan is $14 per user per month, and that unlocks unlimited meeting history, full MCP access, the advanced AI models, and integrations with tools like Zapier, Loom, HubSpot, and Notion, plus a personal API. But if none of that made any sense, then don't worry about it. The free version is absolutely fine for you. Don't forget the link down below if you want to get started. And if you want to see how you can fully integrate your Granola notes into your wider workflow using Claude Cowork, I'll leave a link to that video at the end of this one. I'll see you there.